Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia Killian and this is the 444 Agency. Today's video is going to be all about creating your own sleep affirmation recordings. If you like this video and you like my channel, then please like and subscribe because I love to see it and you just make my day every single time you do it. Don't forget, if you want my help, then there are manifestation workshops and coaching linked down below. So let me get into it. I cannot tell you by the way, I'm gonna have a whole new office soon. The bed's going, I'm gonna have some behind me decor. I don't know what it's gonna be yet, but I'm gonna figure it out and I'm excited for it. But for now, this is what we get. So I cannot describe how fast sleep affirmation tapes changed my life. I put everybody on game to these because I just think they are so fucking powerful in getting what you want and changing, like literally rewriting your subconscious mind fast. So let me tell you why they work so fast. They work so fast because whilst you're asleep, your conscious mind is asleep. So it can't bring up the resistance. It can't bring up the barriers that it would do in the daytime. And your subconscious is in a real permeable, which basically means moldable state. You are in one of the most relaxed, what's the word I'm looking for? Susceptive. Is the word susceptive? I think it might be susceptible. I don't know. You're in a very, very impressionable state. It's a very, very powerful time to impression the subconscious mind with the things you want to see and outpicture in your reality. So if there are things you want to manifest, add that in. If there are things you want to believe, add those in. This is my rule of thumb when creating affirmations for the sleep affirmation tape. So I will ask myself, so go on, get a piece of paper, write this down. I will ask myself, what do I believe to be true about me right now and the thing I want? So this could be love, it could be money, it could be my body, I don't know what it is, but I will ask myself, what do I believe to be true right now? The good things, I don't need to affirm those. If I know I'm a good person, if I know I'm a bad bitch, if I know I'm sexy, I don't need to affirm that. I don't need to put that in there. I know that. I know that like I know my bra size or my shoe size. I already know that. I don't need to affirm that. What we're gonna work on is the negative limiting beliefs. So anything negative that comes up, so I'm not chosen, good things don't happen for me, manifestation is hard for me, I'm gonna look at those beliefs, I'm gonna cross them out, and I'm gonna rewrite a new positive opposite affirmation. So I'm not chosen becomes I am choosing to be chosen from now on. I am always wanted and chosen. I don't deserve anything good in life becomes I deserve the fucking world. That's exactly what I get. And I just have this new set of beliefs and this is what I record. I record it using an app called the Parrot app. That's P-A-R-R-O-T, like the bird. Like literally like parrot on your shoulder. And I listen to this for at least 60 days in a row. I will listen to the same affirmation tape for at least 60 days. I give it a chance to marinate. I give it a chance to sink into my brain. I don't expect like everything to come true within the first 24 hours, but what I will say is the results happen really fast. I saw changes within I actually saw changes within 12 hours on one particular affirmation tape, which I won't go into. But in general, it usually takes me like a week or two to start seeing these feelings. And what I first notice is an internal shift first. I wake up and I'm naturally just thinking about the things that I want less. I'm naturally detached. I'm naturally more open to them happening. I'm naturally more confident about them happening. I'm thinking about them less and less and less during the day. That is one of the biggest things I noticed. I'm feeling the need to affirm less during the day, to visualize. I'm just in a state of having. I'm in a knowing state. And that was the first big powerful shift that I seen. And then alongside with nervous system regulation, I added these two into my routine at the same time. Then I saw huge shifts in terms of the things that were manifesting in, how fast they were manifesting in, the things that were manifesting in, and things that would usually take me 3 months to manifest through affirming and visualization were happening within weeks because my subconscious mind was being impressioned as I slept. Now, there may be other apps you can use to do this. I'm not sure. Please, if you have any in the comments, please write them down. I'm sure Parrot isn't the only one that does this. But I love the Parrot app, and again, I put everyone on game to it. You don't have to listen to these at night time alone. You can listen to these in the daytime as well if you wanted to. I recommend having probably 3 or 4 for each area of your life on there. I don't believe in having a list of 50 pointless affirmations. Make them specific to your pain point. So just affirming, I'm a baddie, I get money, I'm this, I'm that. Like, don't, like, I'm so abundant, no. Make them specific to your situation, for the insecurity you're trying to like get rid of, and make them specific to the situation that you want to manifest. I completely understand that some of you may have trouble listening to these at first. One, because a lot of us don't like the sound of our own voice. Get used to it. I don't really know what else to say on that. Listen to it on really quiet. As long as you can just hear it a little bit. It doesn't have to be really loud. Like, if you're a light sleeper, this does not have to be a big boombox thing in your bedroom. Like, you can have it on really, really low. There are also headphones you can get on Amazon where, you know, if you have a room that you're sharing with somebody, you don't want them to hear it, you can actually have headphones that work as like a sleep mask and have headphones built in. They are amazing for getting your sleep affirmations in. And just really give it a chance, give it time. Disclaimer, you may feel some resistance at first, which may look like waking up with night terrors or nightmares. It's not, like, I get it, it's not fun. I've had this before. There was like one belief I was really trying to instill in me, and my body was just fighting it on all cylinders because it didn't believe it, and that's fine. This is a work in progress. If you find that that is a prolonged thing, what I would do is reword that affirmation, or go in a baby step. Like, ask myself, okay, what's a step down from that affirmation? How can I baby step this affirmation so that it's not something as big as a jump as the one I've been trying to program, and work through that resistance that way? Or it will just naturally die off the more you listen to these tapes. I, again, cannot stress how powerful this is for changing your fucking life. Now, yes, you can listen to other people's tapes. I have found that other people's tapes were really beneficial for me as well. However, nothing hits like your own voice, with your own subconscious mind, with specific affirmations that you're using for your specific situation. That's just a fact. Nothing hits like it. Nothing's going to change your life faster, in my personal opinion. Others can disagree with me. That's fine. That doesn't mean I'm not going to make sleep affirmation tapes on this channel for you all eventually, or that I'm not going to encourage you all to listen to those if you can't make your own. But I would just highly, highly, highly recommend just giving your own a good bash before you try anybody else's. Also, you know what's gone into yours. I'm just going to put it out there. You don't always know what's gone into somebody else's. You don't know what subliminals. No. So let me know how you get on in the comments below with the sleep affirmation tapes. If you've already tried them, how have they been faring out for you? Just let me know what your thoughts are on this, because this was the biggest game. Like, I manifested, so when I think about what I've manifested this year, not only did I manifest this business being exactly where I need it to be at this point in my life to fund this lifestyle that I'm living right now, I moved myself off to Ibiza. I manifested specific people. I manifested my body goals. I manifested friendship goals. I manifested hitting 55k on TikTok. My life, everything I've manifested since February has been in my sleep affirmation tapes, and it happened really fast. And it can happen fast for you too. And again, you know, I don't always focus on the time thing. I don't always focus on it can happen fast, it can happen fast. But I'm just saying, sleep affirmation tapes, they work. Okay? So let me know how you all get on, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.